Whether you've been an entrepreneur for 5 decades or 5 weeks, you know the importance of getting the word out about your business. One way to earn credibility and set yourself up as a subject expert is to get featured in the media. If you know how to use HARO, an online service that connects journalists and sources, you'll be better equipped at getting your business noted both offline and online. But what is HARO and how can it get your business media attention? Today, we'll explain everything you need to know about it, along with how you can use it in your business and practices.
HARO stands for Help a Reporter Out, and it began as a Facebook group in 2008 to help reporters and journalists gain feedback directly from the public. Now, before the site was around, businesses often had to pay a publicist or PR firm thousands of dollars to be featured in a media outlet. They may have also written and sent out their own press releases in hopes of getting lucky enough to get the attention of a journalist. These days, however, getting media attention can be as easy as answering requests sent to your email via HARO. It's essentially a media and source matchmaking platform where people can sign up as either journalists or sources.
Any niche can benefit from learning how to use HARO. Because of the different categories and wide variety of queries created across all of the different categories, any business can find some kind of request to respond to, even if your business isn't directly related to a category. And if your business doesn't have anything to contribute the first time, you can always expect a new request within the next day, week, or even month. And it's okay to hold out for the best requests you feel you're a match for.
Now that we've covered the basics of this lead generation website, let's take a closer look at how to use it to get your small business in the news. First, the bad news. Don't expect to land a feature in Forbes on the first day. While this can certainly happen, it's highly unlikely. And there are many small business owners just like you who know how to use HARO to get media attention. With this in mind, here's some advice on how to use HARO to get in the media. Have a website up and running. Make sure to have an about page available so the journalists can learn more about you without having to actually dig too far to find what they need. And information like where you are located, how or why you got started, things that could give context to any first-time customer. Super helpful. Also have a personal bio and headshot ready, if appropriate. Many journalists will want to feature your information alongside your quote or answer to a request. Next, sign up for an account as a source of HARO. This will give you access to media requests you can respond to.
You can then choose the frequency of emails you'd like to receive. Email newsletters are sent out to sources 3 times a day and can range from 10 to 100 requests. Don't respond to every single one. Instead, choose the ones that most resonate with your ideal audience. Seek out requests that you would be best suited as a source for. Then read them carefully and answer all questions appropriately. You want to answer truthfully and don't hype yourself up too much. It's okay to be confident in what you do, but no one likes to find out their source isn't as amazing as they claim they are. It's also a quick way to land yourself on a blacklist for many websites. And then lastly, be prepared to respond quickly. Some journalists get dozens of pitches and don't have time to read each one. They may decide to stop accepting pitches after receiving a few decent responses. Pitches that come in too late risk getting buried at the bottom of their priority list.
That's right, so don't wait and start learning how to use HARO right away. There are hundreds of opportunities every week, and your business might have the exact insight journalists are looking for. All right, that's a wrap, but your journey doesn't have to end here. We have over 300 videos for you to watch.
So be sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is The Journey, and we'll see you in the next video.